Alright, what's up guys? Early morning video, waking up, checking out comments, what I do on YouTube all the time. I normally respond to all you guys' comments, so keep leaving comments. I read them all. So if you leave a comment, I get it. And that's the thing. I actually love you guys' comments, so keep commenting because you got like your positive comments, you got your I really have a good question comments, you got your hater comments, but then like far left field, you have those comments that kind of make you go, what? So I'm checking my comments. That's how I do comments. I go, that's how I respond to comments. So respond to comments. Dude pops up and he says, "Hey man, your EP3 build for 5 grand. That's impossible. Average person, could never do the work you have. Like with the tools you have." I said, "Okay, well, I'm pretty sure I have. I haven't done anything extreme so far. I might have used a ratchet so far." He said, "Yeah, man, but your garage is basically a full-on shop. You have lifts and big air tanks and air compressors and air tools and electric impacts and all these specialty tools that nobody else has." Oh, so you my garage has all that? So I was like, "No, you don't need any of that. I mean, yeah, it makes the job easier, but I'm gonna tell you guys right now, the only tools I have in my garage now is probably a socket set. Um, I probably have some wrenches, a jack, some jack stands, and a flashlight. That's it. You don't need anything else to work on cars. Like build motors, pull motors, all that. That's it. So I figured let's walk outside in the garage and see what I actually have.
All right, what's up, guys? Comment came up the other day or something like that, and the dude told me, he said, "Well, hey, I can't work on my own car because I don't have the tools." And I was like, tools are so much money, and you know, you have like a garage and all these tools. And I was like, well, okay, you really don't need a garage to work on a car. And two, I don't have a shit ton of tools. I'm not fucking rich. So like I don't have fucking all these baller, air tools and impact guns and all that stuff. Like I build motors, pull motors, do all this stuff with basically like probably 60 tools. Like really not really that much. I probably only really have two toolboxes, honestly, and I don't even have that much stuff. So I kind of just want to do a quick little thing right quick to just show people what you really need to pull a motor, do all this stuff, and you don't need that much. Starting off right here, we just have just a basic Craftsman toolkit. You didn't even, I actually got this for my birthday, so I didn't even buy it. But the thing is, like, this just has like a basic, smaller wrench, some fuckboy sizes, nothing extreme like that. You don't need anything big. The only thing I kind of brought myself was I got some Harbor Freight tools, Pittsburgh tools. We're not rich over here. Um, just basically a 1/2 inch drive set, 3/8 drive set, and then I kind of have the specialty Craftsman set that I got for somebody just gave me. They were just moving out of their house, but you don't even really need this. Like I honestly don't even use this set because it's the open lug ones, but like I don't even use those. Like maybe I might use those on like one bolt if I need it, but I really don't. I really just use this tools right here, these, and then we have a cheapo Harbor Freight torque wrench. So that's really about it. It's not anything major I have. Like everybody's like, we need all these crazy parts. You really don't. The only thing I just have is, one box, two box, and that box doesn't really even count if I don't even use it. Oh, you also need a flashlight. That's pretty helpful for looking at shit under the car. Other than that, down here, the only thing I have is just a wrench set, a pair of vice grips, some Allen keys, a pair of pliers, then just some screwdrivers, a wrench, an extension, and that's about it. This does everything, guys. And I really don't even need two sets of these. I only got these because they're gear wrenches, and once again, cheapo Harbor Freight tools. I mean, $10 for that. Like I probably have maybe, I'm gonna say maybe $100 in tools right here, and that's probably about it. I mean, Harbor Freight extensions. Nothing really expensive here. I mean, we just got some extensions, some screwdrivers. I mean, this is like basic stuff, guys. Like, I mean, if you don't have a screwdriver in your house, or you don't have a pair of pliers, or you don't have just a basic one of these or something, like, what are you doing with your life? I mean, like, I don't have any fancy tools or anything. I don't have air tools or, impact wrenches and all that stuff. Like, you don't need any of that to work on a car. I mean, this pulls motors, builds motors, this does it all. And that's really it. I mean, there's nothing really, you know, special here or anything, and that's it. This does it all. I mean, you got your bolts for your take your LCAs out. You got your crank pulley to take the crank pulley off. I mean, that's really only your special pieces, and maybe have a ball joint pulley back here to pull the ball joint apart. But I mean, this is like specialty jobs. Like, you really don't even need that to take the car apart. Like, if you're doing an engine pull or something like that, I mean, you don't really need anything special. Like, this is everything right here to do everything. So like when people say like you need all these specialty parts to pull off a car, like, you really don't. I mean, this is basically, I mean, I'm probably gonna say maybe $100 in tools right here. That's it, and that does everything. So I don't know, guys. That's all the tools I have in my garage. So obviously, I'm not big balling over here with air impacts and all these, cool, crazy stuff. You don't even need all that stuff. I mean, this does everything, guys, just right here.